Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably guess from today's title, we will be doing a makeup and clothing haul. Let me show you this. I've got this huge makeup box in here that is filled with goodies and that I'm really excited to show you and share with you and recommend some stuff that I already know are good because I've tried them out, but this will be really interesting to go through. And also I've picked up a few bits from H&M. It's not too many, so we're gonna go through them very quickly, but just wanted to show you these as well. By the way, H&M is having an amazing sale at the moment, so you should definitely go and check that out. If you guys are new to my channel, my name's Elizabeth Nova and I do mainly makeup videos, but I do vlog sometimes, so you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I am planning on a few very interesting videos which will expand kind of my, what's it called? Let's just call it expand my zone. And obviously, you know, while I'm filming this, that I have to get a drink, so cheers. That is a good wine. Right, let's get on. So hot, I'm literally dying. Okay, about 2 weeks ago I placed an order on Morphe.com and I managed to get my hands on some really great deals, as well as a palette that I've really wanted for a long time now. Not because it's pricey or anything like that, but purely because I was just hesitant because I already have way too many palettes and I was just, you know, wondering whether or not I would get any use out of it. But it was discounted and I just decided to go for it because it was now or never. By the way, I feel so weird with my hair straight, so in this video I might just keep doing this. I find it annoying as well, it's not just you. So I'm talking about the Morphe 18F palette. I did have a little peek, but I have not swatched any of these shades yet. It looks like so, and it is so beautiful. Honestly, I can just frame it and look at it all day. Oh, look at this. I could just cry. I mainly picked up this palette not just because of the gorgeous, amazing, beautiful shades in here, but because this is a pretty compact and easy to travel with palette. Yeah, because of all the traveling you've been doing in 2020, right? But I thought this could be really handy when I'm going away and I have a variety of shades that I could just dip into and create all the looks that I want. Moving on. By the way, do let me know if you want me to do a testing video. I know I haven't seen too many people testing this palette, so I'm very curious as to how this palette performs. So do make sure to let me down in the comments down below. Next from Morphe, I picked up a concealer, which is in the shade C4.65 and it's called Soft Matte Dough, if that's how you pronounce that. I picked up the shade mainly so I can contour with it. I thought it was a great shade to, you know, chisel out those cheekbones or maybe just warm up your complexion. I've been really into cream contouring lately, so I thought this would be a great product for the purpose. It looks like so, and just wanted to quickly swatch that. And as you can see, is this beautiful sort of caramel shade, and I think it would look so amazing as a contour shade. Next from Morphe, I picked up this micro brow pencil, which is in the shade Mocha. Online it looked like a pretty good shade for me, but ooh, okay. But when it arrived, I tried it out, and honestly it just seems to be way too warm for me, even though it's meant to be kind of this taupey color. I don't know for what reason this looks red on my eyebrows. It's not super noticeable, but I notice it. So I don't know, I might just give this to my mom because she has way lighter brows than mine. And this is what it looks like. I know it doesn't really show as a red undertone on camera, but in person it is quite warm toned. Alrighty, moving on. From Kiko, I picked up this Pop Revolution 2-in-1 bronzer and highlighter. I went to the store the other day and I honestly fell in love with the shade. It looks so amazing. I tried it out the other day on my cheeks and it's just so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see the reflection, but it's just pure perfection. Let me just build that up a little bit for you. Like, look at this, it literally looks wet on the skin. I did try it the other day. It might turn into one of my potential all-time favorites. I don't know why this is named the bronzer, because this is clearly a really stunning and blinding highlighter, but you know, brands sometimes name their products weirdly, so not going to judge. Do you love this though? Next from Kiko, I picked up this lovely bronzer as well. It's called Sicilian Notes Nourishing Bronzer, and it's in the shade 02 Soft Marsala. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And look at this. I mean, so pretty, honestly. And the packaging looks like so. It's this orange kind of, you know, really pretty. What's this called? I cannot speak today. Anyway, the bronzer looks like this, and it has this kind of pop of like a blush color inside. It's really beautiful. It's a little bit more of a cool tone, and it looks like so when it's swatched on my hand. Honestly, I do need to build this up at the moment just so I can see it on my hand, purely because, oh, I just spit. Purely because I am so tan at the moment. This will probably not work for me right now, but I'm really excited to try this out once I'm back to my pasty self. And last but not least from Kiko, I picked up this lovely lip volume plumping effect lip cream. This looked really gorgeous, honestly. Like, look at this. I assume, I've never tried this. I assume it's going to be kind of like a transparent effect. Yeah, it's just like a clear one. I'm not too sure if you can even see that, but it looks really lovely. And the smell is really nice. It's like a vanilla creamy scent. So great. So I went online and picked up these Balance Active Formula kind of, ooh, okay, it's just not my day. One of them is called Goat Collagen Hydrogel Under Eye Mask, Rejuvenate and Firm, and it looks like so. And the other one is called Hydrogel Lip Masks, Rejuvenate and Plump, Fuller Looking Lips, Moisture and Smooth. Oh, so there's two masks here. I thought that was just one. And that looks like so. I'm really excited to try these out. So if I do have enough products here, maybe I don't. Okay, I might just have to pick up a few more products for a full first impressions videos, but I'll update you on that. Guys, I found the most amazing lashes in Poundland the other day, and they look like this, and they're called Fern McCann eyelashes, and they're in the styles London Bay and Calabasas Crush. I'm really excited to try these Calabasas Crush ones, purely because they're something way out of my comfort zone and they look huge. And they do come with a glue as well, so props to Poundland for having these. And one more thing from Poundland, it's not makeup related, but I picked up these, what's this called? Plastic clamps. These are for my backdrop because I can never have way too many of these. Oh, also I missed one thing from the Balance Active Formula 1. Is this Vitamin C Brightening Serum Glow and Radiance. I have previously tried this brand and I've heard pretty good things about it, so I'm really excited to try this Vitamin C serum. And last but not least, I picked up this micro needle roller system, and yeah, it does come with a vitamin C serum, which is to help your skin rejuvenate faster. So I might make a really fun and interesting video about this product because people have been raving about it, and I do have a couple of tiny scars left from my mole removal procedures. If you haven't watched that video, I will put it right here so you can watch it. It has some pretty interesting information on mole removal, which I did a few months ago, so that might be quite interesting and informative for you guys to watch. And now on to some of the stuff I got for my birthday. It won't be everything because the stuff that I was gifted is already found its place in my home, because I don't just like makeup and, you know, beauty stuff. I do like home stuff as well, so that's already found its place in my home. And honestly, I'm just too lazy to get up to get it. I have my favorite perfume here, which is from Carolina Herrera, and it's called Good Girl. It's good to be bad. Indeed it is. And this is my all-time favorite perfume ever. Look at the bottle, you guys. It's so pretty. Yeah, this is my all-time favorite perfume. Obviously, I cannot describe the smell to you. It's quite heavy, so it's not everyone's cup of tea. But if you are in a perfume shop sometime, do you smell this? It's just pure amazingness, if that's even a word. This was a present for my birthday from my mum. She knows how much I love this perfume, so she got it for me. And yeah, thanks mama. Ever since the pandemic kicked in here in the UK at the end of March, I have been really into doing my own nails. I picked up lots of those, you know, clear press-ons, and I've been doing them myself ever since. So for example, if you watch some of my previous videos from the coronavirus inspired makeup to up till now, I have been doing my nails myself. However, I have been using just regular nail polish, and that always takes ages to dry. So I decided to try doing my own gel polish nails at home, which is why Svect picked up for me this lovely machine right here. It's called 2-in-1 UV LED nail lamp, and I've been clumsy as fuck today. But yeah, it's a pretty good machine. It does the job really well, and I'm really happy with it. Thanks, baby. And when he gifted me that machine, I didn't have any gel polish at home to try, so I ordered these on Amazon. So I picked up base and top coat gel polish. It's called UV5 Technology 2, blah 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 blah, and the brand is Canary. And I also picked up this, which is 6 shades of gel polish. It's really pretty colors. It comes in a box like this, and I did try them out, and I will give you my thoughts on this right now. So this is what my nails look like now. They're pretty okay, but one thing that I will say is that the gel polish has already started chipping. Not too sure if you can see here on my thumb is already chipped pretty well, and then also here and here. So I wouldn't say this is the best quality of gel polish you can get. I did pay around £16 for these 6 bottles, which I'm not very familiar. It's supposed to be pretty cheap and affordable, but for £16 I do want my nails to last more than a week, so I don't know if the price was worth it or not. I would say not, purely because I did not expect them to chip that fast. Honestly, I've seen ladies with their nails last through a hurricane with gel polish, but mine didn't do that for me. It's pretty much supposed to become one with your nail, and it should be kind of drilled from your nail when you're ready to take it off, and not just chip off like this. Anyway, moving on. And now to the H&M haul. The first item is what I'm wearing now. I'm sorry about my squeaky chair, by the way. It's this lovely, just plain black t-shirt. I do have loads of these, but you can never have too many of these. It's this really nice cotton. Is it cotton? I don't know what it is actually, but it's a really nice, comfortable, stretchy material, and I pretty much live in these, so you can never have too many of these, as I already said. The next product I picked up is this lovely long sweatshirt. It's really kind of a faded color. I did get it oversized just because I do like being comfortable. I don't like stuff to be too tight when I'm at home, so there you go. This is this lovely sweater. And then another sweater is this. This is meant to be a crop top sweater, but because I'm short, to me it comes just like a regular size, you know, sweatshirt. It is a really nice material, and this is what it looks at the back. Who doesn't love Shawn Mendes? And the last clothing item is this lovely floral dress. It's just a regular, you know, floral dress that you can wear maybe with like a denim jacket and some really like chunky white shoes. It should be pretty great. So that's that. And the very last item that I have from H&M, and the last for this haul, is lip pencils. I got 2 lip pencils from H&M which were on sale. They retail for £5 each, and I did manage to pick them up for £1 each, and I did pick them up in the shade Au Naturel and Chalk Therapy, I believe that's what you pronounce them like. So this is Au Naturel and this is Chalk Therapy, and I will be giving those a go in future first impressions videos. So that's it from me for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my makeup and clothing haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me out a lot. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is ElizabethNova_ for my Instagram and my TikTok, as well as follow my Facebook page, which is ElizabethNova11, and I do hope very much to see you on my next video. Bye! That's a good wine.